some of the core characteristics of active addiction, in my experience, involve a sense of not fitting in, of not being good enough or not being enough, of emotional sort of hypersensitivity, having very finely tuned emotions where things may affect them, result in higher levels of challenging or uncomfortable emotions than other folks potentially, and this sense of internal emptiness, and hence the need to fill it up and to turn down the volume of this emotional hypersensitivity and facilitate a sense of connectedness and of fitting in. And alcohol and other drugs, along with other activities, can serve that purpose, but all forms of emotional avoidance ultimately backfire because they can work for a short period of time. They provide this sense of relief and temporary respite from the onslaught of that discomfort, of that pain. But invariably, the sources of the discomfort and pain, including when the etiology is related to traumas, obviously don't go anywhere. That continues, and it's waiting when the being under the influence of whatever it is begins to wear off, and then you combine it with the increased discomfort of the withdrawal syndrome, including the immediate micro withdrawal of coming down from whatever it is. And then in addition to that, you have the consequences of the progressive addictive process, all of which, basically result in addiction being a shortcut, which leads to a dead end. Sometimes it takes people a lot longer to get to that dead end, as it did with me, but eventually they get there.
Hello, this is Lynn Fraser with the Kiloby Center Radical Recovery Summit. We are so excited to bring you the lineup for January 10th to 19th, 2020. Go to radicalrecoverysummit.com to see the new headliners for 2020 and to sign up. You can watch free January 10th to 19th or buy an all-access pass.